What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're trying to take the temperature of something, you might want to check out this infrared thermometer. Hey, I just picked this up. It's by CocoBear, and it's an infrared thermometer, which is going to be really awesome because it doesn't require contact. How many times do you want to take the temperature of something where you can't take, it directly? So the first thing we have here is a little kind of a velour drawstring bag. It's got the instructions and the card in it. Right in there. Looks like a warranty card with it. We also get a package of 2 AA batteries, which is nice. Everything that we need to rock and roll with this bad boy. And then we also have the CocoBear infrared thermometer itself. Now, it's all plastic. It's actually very light, so I wouldn't worry about taking this around. We've got a little plastic on the screen there. That should be our readout. We've got a little plastic trigger right here. Looks like some speaker openings here because we'll probably get some beeps. We have mode OK, set, memory, mode OK, set, memory, and then up and down buttons right there. So I'm not sure what all that is for. And then we have the infrared emitter right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the batteries, which we would do just by, looks like, sliding this open and then flipping it open, putting the batteries right in there. All right, so I've got the batteries in here, and we have a couple buttons here, mode, set, memory, and the mode will change here. There's actually 3 of them, and if I just hit the trigger there, it powers it on, and you might be able to see right up there, it says surface temperature. So this will take the temperature of kind of an inanimate object. Then if I hit mode again, it'll say body, and that's for using it as a thermometer for checking your health, maybe your kid's health. And then it also says room here, and so I think it just measures the ambient room temperature. Now, to work this, the one trigger pull will just kind of turn it on, and the second one will take a reading. So we're on room right there, and it says 67.8, and that's totally possible. Now I'm going to change the mode here to surface temperature, and I have this, which should just be about the same temperature as the room itself. So I'm going to hit that, and it says 63.3, which is good. And now we're going to use it dramatically on our body. Now, the thing is, you want to aim it kind of right between the eyebrows, not too high on the forehead, not too low, and it's going to be 3 to 5 centimeters away from your face. But this is great, especially if someone's sick and they don't want to do it, or you have a kid that's not compliant, and it's basically instantaneous. So I'm just going to hold it right about here and then hit the trigger, and boom, 97.7. Now in the guide it has ages and then a range of temperatures that is appropriate, and that is perfect. So if I just do it again here, oh man, 2 right on the mark. So that looks good because I feel fine and I feel good, real good. Anyway, so it's a great way to just be able to take quick temperature. The other thing I will say here is if something is over 100 degrees or below freezing, I think it just shows you high or low on the display. It doesn't actually give you the actual temperature. So you wouldn't use it to get an accurate temperature of like a hot exhaust manifold on a car or your freezer per se. But it'll just tell you high or low. So pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick this up as a way to quickly take the temperature for health checks or for other things around your home, you can pick up this CocoBear infrared thermometer on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!